Hi, this is Scoggett, and today what I'm making is I'm making a slow cooker brisket pinto beans my way. And if you never had a slow cooker brisket pinto beans, I tell you need to give it a shot. I'm going to show you the ingredients what I'm going to be putting into the beans and everything. I got 2 pounds of casserole pinto beans. I usually use 1 pound, but I'm going to be using 2 because I want some for the next day. Because I'm going to make some ribs tomorrow, and I want some beans to go with it. But I use casserole pinto beans. These are triple washed. They're clean. You don't have to wash them, don't have to sort through them. It's all, I've never found a rock in them, and they're just fantastic. 2 pounds. You can use 1 if you want to. Got some pinto bean seasoning. Going to use 3 tablespoons of this Fiesta pinto bean seasoning. Really like this seasoning. Makes the pinto beans taste really good. I've got one yellow onion, what I diced. That's going in there. 1 can of beef broth. And I got some brisket here, some chopped up brisket, what's going in. Along with about 6 cups of water. So go ahead and get started. Now, it's very simple to do. And you can cook this on low. If you're cooking on low, you're going about 7 hours, maybe 8 hours. I'm cooking mine on high, so it's going to be done in about anywhere from 4 to 5 hours on the slow cooker. We have the slow cooker. Just going to take the beans. Like I say, these are triple washed. They're already sorted through, so I have no need to do anything but pour them in. This to the side. I'm going to go ahead and add my beef broth to it. I like to have beef broth. It gives it a real nice flavor. And my water. And we're going to go ahead and add the diced onion to it. Going to also give it a good flavor. And the pinto bean seasoning. Put about 3 tablespoons in there. Give this a stir, mix it up. I'm going to add my brisket. Mix it all up in there real good. Put the lid on it. I'm going to put it on high. That's all it is to it. Very simple, easy. I mean, you can add whatever you like to it. If you like jalapenos, you can add that. I'm just showing you how I make it and how I like it. I have a second part coming up, and the second part will be the plating up, and I'll show you how the beans come out. So this is Scoggett. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers, and y'all take care.